What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And it's time to plant your fall garden. I know some people say it's too soon, bro. It's too soon. Shut up. Watch the video. All right, my fall garden will consist of this bed, that raised bed, that raised bed, and this raised bed. Maybe that one. Maybe. But first thing we got to do, definitely start clearing out some of these beds. Things that's gone to the upper room, things that need to be just gotten out of here because it didn't do well. And some harvest. Stay tuned. First, let's get this harvest going. These are one of my favorite snacks. These are kohlrabi. And ideally, they are ready when they're tennis ball size. Ooh, that don't look good. But bird, ideally they're ready when they're tennis ball size. So this is the perfect size. We're gonna get that out of here. I still got onions in here, y'all. I never. Okay, moving on. More kohlrabi. Let's get all that out here. And I'm cutting it at the base. I'm not pulling the roots out. That is gonna feed the soil. This is organic matter, so we're gonna leave it in there. That plant soaked up all the nutrients in this bed through the roots. So if I get the roots out here, I'm taking nutrients out of this bed. So I'm not gonna do that. These roots will break down. It's gonna be okay. Trust me. Let's get another kohlrabi. Don't worry about the shadows, y'all. There we go. We got another little one over there. We're gonna let it live her best life. We got a tomato that I cut off another one. I just pruned it, stuck it in the soil. It's looking good. Let's pull it out anyway. Had roots coming on. We don't care about that. It's fall gardening time, y'all. Gotta make room, gotta make them hard choices. It's gonna grow, bro. Leave it in there. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. All right. So we got it cleaned up. Still got onions in him. That's my bad. So we're gonna get all this harvest on. And this was a Zulu pepper. The Zulu pepper been in the ground for 3 years. 3 months, and did nothing. You had your chance, buddy. No! Yeah, it's over. All right. So we still got a few things we're gonna leave in this bed. Look at these roots. Get these roots out of here. Still got a few things we're gonna leave. Most of the things on the edge. This tomato, that bell pepper, that tomato back there, and that. And then we got this one pepper in the middle. I'm gonna stake it up. And then all this is gonna be plant space. And I'm finna show you what I'm gonna plant. All right, y'all, let's address why. First off, fall begins here September the 22nd. It is currently, I think, August the 4th or the 5th or something like that. So I want to put my seed, and I direct sow my fall plants. So I want to get the seeds in the ground where the soil temperature is very warm. You get a good germination rate. You get the roots established and ready. And then once the fall temps come, it's cool, it's cold, then the roots are established and that plant will do way better. Now, that works only for a few plants, I would say. Collard greens, things that have a thicker leaf, usually can make it through the summer. Broccoli probably might bolt. I'm gonna try some broccoli, but it might bolt, you know what I mean? So you got to be careful what you're starting early. And I'm just talking about the people who direct sowing. If you're starting in trays on the inside, it's completely different ball game. Don't listen to this. But if you direct sow and you're in the zone 8 or 7B or something like this, it might work for you. So that's what I'm doing, and that's why I'm doing it. Stay tuned. All right. First thing I'm gonna plant is champion collards. I don't have any Georgia collards, so hey, half of this bed gonna be dedicated to just champion collards. Google says, look at these birds. Google says 2 feet per seed. Maybe not. How much room I got? And I got these seeds from melanatedorganicseeds.com. They got some awesome fall seeds. All right, everybody know what brassica seeds look like. I'm not gonna take that time, but I'm just gonna pre-do my holes. Ideally, I want 6 of each plant. So that's how many holes I'm put. Since it's hot, I'm gonna put 2 seeds per hole. I don't know if you can even see me doing this, but listen to my voice. 2 seeds in every hole. With it being this hot, I think I'm gonna get good germination, so I'm not really worried about my germination rate on this one. So put them in, put them down, and the other one I'm gonna plant is Bates collards, and I got to get my Georgia collards, y'all. I have a whole bed dedicated to Georgia collards, but same with the Bates. I want 6 plants, so pre-do my holes. It's gonna be a little different because I got a couple things over here, but yeah, and I want to give my collards more space this year. I had them planted kind of tight last year, and it didn't work out that well. So when you know better, you do better. So we're gonna have a huge collard green harvest, y'all. All right, 2 in a hole, 2 in a hole, 2 in a hole, 2 in a hole. I hold the dairy-o. 2 in the hole, 2 in the hole. All right, this is my other bed. Hopefully my moringa will be a lot taller and give some shade to this broccoli. And I know what I said about broccoli, but look, man, I got broccoli seeds. We're gonna see what it can do. And I'm planting these really close together. That's probably 6 inches apart. And I'm sowing them heavy, y'all. Heavy. All right. A lot of ants in the bed too, y'all. I don't care. I just get bit. This is what I do for y'all. Well, and for me, technically, because I'm eating collard green. You know what I mean? All right. Trying the same concept. You can see the shadows over here from the eggplant and the tomato. So I'm gonna try to sneak some broccoli in here, see what I can do. See if we can make something happen. And I'm trying to do this with one hand because I wanted y'all to be up close while I'm doing this. I wanted y'all to have an eye level, you know what I mean? Hold on, let me get some more seeds. All right, I forgot which one I put seeds in, so some of them gonna have 4 seeds. We're gonna thin them out. When I say thin them out, I mean kill them. Yeah, that's people don't like to say they're gonna kill some of the plant. That's what they're gonna do. They're gonna kill the plant. I don't know how to say that. All right, I got this bed planted in. On the right, it's gonna be champion collard, 6 big, beautiful plants. Let's speak it into existence. 6 big, beautiful plants. You put it in the comment. 6 big, beautiful plants. On the left, we had a vase collards. 6 big, beautiful plants, y'all. We're gonna speak it in. And over here, I want to say, I don't know, we planted 12 broccoli plants. And over here, we planted 12 broccoli plants. Yeah, as soon as I get these 2 kombucha squashes done and off this vine, I'm pulling this mess out. I don't got 3, you know what, this video ain't about that, but I'm gonna say it. I don't got 3 squash off this kombucha. It might be the way I'm growing it. Who knows? But I got collards, broccoli, and I'm gonna plant my cabbage in that bed. Or, I don't know, maybe I should plant my broccoli over here. Or maybe over here. No. I'm gonna plant my broccoli right in here, y'all. And I've tried chopping up broccoli. I keep saying broccoli, cabbage. But I've chopped up cabbage, put it in the freezer. It tasted fine, just to be honest. So I'm taking that into consideration. So I'm gonna plant, I don't know, maybe 20 cabbages down here. Yeah, it's gonna be spectacular, y'all. Trust me. Yep. The next thing we're gonna get rid of is this corn. Yeah, man, I ain't studying this. Look here, man. Next month is fall. This corn has been in the ground, God knows how long. And for the ones that ain't deformed and look like crackhead corn, I get these little bit of small. Whoa, this one did better. Either way, I should have been picked at, and it looks horrible, truly horrible. I'm throw around my fruit trees and yeah, fertilize the fruit trees, y'all. But I'm gonna pull a couple of them up and show you what they look like. Couple of them, but they ain't really worth looking at, y'all. They are not worth looking at. And shouts out to everybody with their good ideas on how to plant and grow corn. I appreciate all of it. It just ain't for me. It is not for me. And for y'all who can grow corn, y'all are blessed. I don't have that blessing upon my life. You know what I mean? Everybody's blessing ain't for everybody. Corn is not my blessing. It is not. I tried. It didn't work out. It's just this. So we're gonna clean this out, have more room for the fall garden, and it's gonna be on and popping, y'all. I don't know how else to put it. On and popping. And then something else to keep in mind, if you gardening, real estate is super important. Whether you buying real estate and buying land or anything else. Right now, this is wasted real estate. Wasted. This corn sucked. And I knew it was gonna suck because I suck at growing corn. But I wasted real estate when I could have had some in here I really needed. Just a little food for thought, y'all. A little food for thought. Now let's get the bed cleared out. I didn't pull the corn all the way out of the ground. You know how I do it. You gotta feed the soil. That soil is so pretty. All right, y'all. I'm gonna give this space, I don't know, 2 weeks. Let some of these roots die back, feed the soil. I just think they're too big right now to plant in them. I mean, plant next to some of these roots. Some stuff I do it with, they have a shallow root system. Corn, I don't know, I want to try it. So I cut it a little closer to the ground. I'm just gonna let it die back and let the soil absorb it. All the great nutrients, and corn is a heavy feeder. So I want to make sure I leave these roots in here. But I'm gonna wait 2 weeks, put some compost on top of it, and I'm gonna plant some cabbage over here. Use your real estate. All right, this is some of the bigger ones. And I know somebody saying, hey, it ain't ready yet. Leave it on there. Really? We're gonna leave that on there? We're gonna leave it? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Shouts out to all the encouragement on growing corn, but it ain't gonna help them, Captain. It just ain't gonna help them, Captain. Yeah. These are the bigger ears now. Bad pollination, the bug, look at that. The bugs are living in them. Yeah. I hope you can't see that because that's nasty, y'all. Really nasty.